In the last video, we basically left off here. The setup is configured, but it doesn't look perfect, right? So I did add the LED panels, and that kind of explains the random cord going around. And then as far as the cables, we are going to buy something from IKEA today to elevate the computer, AKA sudden storm, get it up here, and that way the cables will be a lot more beautiful. And yeah, we have some other cool little things we're gonna do to the setup. But please note, I am like Van Gogh after he cut his ear off. I am not going to have perfect cable management. Those days are behind me. I actually was never really good at it, but I was good at being an asshole. Speaking of the setup we got from my good friends at Nanoleaf, love these guys, I've always been a big fan. They sent over the lines and they actually gave me the matte black skin that goes over it. So yeah, this I think would look absolutely stunning, kind of framing the setup in like a abstract way, like a Picasso, if you will. Why do I keep referencing art? What's next, Michelangelo? But yeah, that I think would look really good if I just framed the setup. It would look cool and unique, and I don't know. I feel like it's intimidating though, because you could easily mess it up. I don't know. This side of the apartment has definitely changed since the last video. I got the TV set up, I got an entertainment console from IKEA, and then I got the coffee table and also a couch, which yeah, I tried putting LEDs on it and yeah, that backfired. You know what's funny about this couch? Amazon knocks on the door really early in the morning with a pool table. I was like, sir, I did not order that. And they were actually extremely rude. And the lady was like trying to shove it into my apartment. And I said, no, sister, I did not order that. Now, if it was like a super expensive pool table, hell yeah. But no, it was like half the price of the couch. I said, get that shit out of my house right now. And then two cool guys came over and dropped this off and they were awesome. So yeah, I got this, bada bing, bada boom. This over here is an Alex drawer, which will go under the desk on the left side. But yeah, we definitely want something for this side to keep the computer on display, but up in the air. Also, you might be wondering, what is this? Well, it's this right here, the Woozher. I don't actually know much about it, but they offered to send it, and I said, hell yeah. And everyone on Instagram is telling me that they've been getting ads for it, and they want to know what I think. So I think in this video, I'll try it out, and I'll let you know. But yeah, this side of the apartment is definitely looking better. There's no boxes or anything over here. Definitely want to get this stuff up on the wall. I want to be able to put stuff like this on display, you know, like look at this. It's the rotating earth. Are you kidding me? And yeah, we got like the Nest Hub Max. But yeah, this and this, like I want to put all this stuff on display. And the only place to do that is right here. So if you look right here, this is the perfect spot for something nice and long to just kind of just hold stuff like this. Who remembers Dexter? Love this guy. Rest in peace. I'm going to start crying. Anyways, yeah, I want to put stuff like this on display and this is the place to do it. So I think I'm going to get the IKEA Calyx cubes. That way I can get some little of the storage bins and put those in there because I have a bunch of stuff in a box in the closet that I need to kind of store. And then also I would love to put like my record player on top and whatnot. So I think that's probably the best way to do it. And yeah, my bedroom's a whole nother thing. Maybe one day we'll make this look really cool, but this is literally all we got. And this was like a $50 comforter off of Amazon. So we're living big. By the way, shout out to Devoom. I feel awful for not shouting this out earlier, but this is like 150 bucks. I'll link it below. And it's like 64 by 64 pixel art. They have so many different smart little scenes and people do really cool art on it. Definitely check that out for your setup. This is showing my second channel. Go watch. I uploaded another vlog there, quite a few vlogs there. So go check that out. But yeah, it's like 7 o'clock at night. IKEA closes soon. So let's go. Well, I should be shopping, but yeah, don't mind if I just take a little break. Go check out my vlog channel. I've been uploading there. I could use some support. Thank you very much. But with that, let's get right back to the video. So I was gonna get this for my PC. It's, first off, it's super heavy. So I get to $120, but at the same time, look at it. Yeah, the problem is it's like more brown than black. And I don't know if it's worth getting just for the PC for $120. So let's keep looking. Like this shit, way too small. I could just get one of these, but it's too low. I don't know. I think we're just gonna go with this for my computer. And then the bigger one, maybe not this big, but like this for kind of like my entryway table. I don't know. These baskets are disgusting. What a hell of a view at this setup. Real gamer over here, huh? This sit-stand desk is $749. I think I'd rather chew glass. Real gamers have screwdrivers and controllers together. How the hell do I get out of here? Oh my God, I really have to go through this? Here we go, first Calyx. Got me going into the depths of hell over here to find this.
Oh my God, this is future Matt talking. Hey, dumbass, there's 2 boxes. You don't just take the one. Oh my God, Jesus.
Look at this. There's a panda here. All set. I only got 6 of these thingamajiggies because I don't think I'm going to use all of them on the big piece. Maybe only use 2 on this, so I can always get more, you know? Stupid me almost forgot that there's actually 2 boxes, so deja vu.
Yeah, nice job, Matt. Now you just blocked the entire camera. Clap it up. Great job, Matt. Yeah, we can't even see you put that in. Nice job.
It's literally 8:20 p.m. and I'm dripping in sweat from just bringing yeah, it's a problem. Anyways, let's go bring this home and assemble. I don't want to do that, honestly. Can't deny it. It's definitely beautiful. All right, well, this part sucks. Luckily, these are so light. Through the power of editing, I have already assembled all of the furniture, so let's go check it out. First up, we do have the Calyx, which I did say I wasn't gonna get one of the bigger ones. I got one of the bigger ones, and I like it. I definitely have not done anything with it yet, but that's kind of like the idea, right? I'm gonna put random things in here. I have some bins, bada bing, bada boom. I like it. Now looking at the setup, there it is. The computer is elevated, which allowed me to do some cable management. Actually came out a lot better than I expected. Really happy with the size of this and whatnot. So yeah, that worked out. Also the Alex drawer that I just had sitting in a box for a while, finally built it and happy with that. The headphones aren't plugged in and the MagSafe aren't plugged in. Everything else though is fully functional and I'm pretty happy with how it looks. We obviously have the one power cord that has to come out, but yeah, not too shabby. And then over here in the corner, I have this little shitty $20 bookcase from Walmart that has the Prusa Mini on it, which is pretty cool. So happy with that. And then this madness right here is kind of my current predicament. There are so many different options for the lines and I just don't know which one to pick. Because like I'm in an apartment, right? So putting adhesive on is obviously not ideal, but there's so much empty space and I want some LEDs above, so I think it's gonna look gorgeous. I just need to be smart. So for those of you that don't know how this works, basically the back is where the LED is, right? So here's one of the lines. The back side is where the light actually shines through. So the front is completely solid. So they sent over their little matte black skins that I can put on top, and basically the entirety of it, when it's on my wall, will be matte black, which is pretty sweet. So I think that'll look nice. Although like the back of my monitor and a little bit of the PC is white, that's about it. Everything else is black. All the furniture in here is black. So I think that's why I am going to stick with the matte black. But overall, this is intimidating. I have like this huge ass power block, which I'm like, oh, what are we gonna do with you? And got all of this and there's just a lot of stuff. You know what I mean? We'll figure it out though. So what's cool about Nanoleaf's app is that you can actually draw out different versions and test them in AR. I just took screenshots of different options that I liked. I was like, yeah, this is probably a little too much, but something like that would be easy. But yeah, so here's the M design that I'm testing out, and I like it, right? Because it does span out, you know, quite a bit and would work nice with this setup. The only problem is that it's symmetrical. So you put it on a setup that isn't symmetrical, and I think it's just going to look so stupid. So I don't know. I could just go to that first design that I showed and pop it above, but I like the idea of extending it. So I think I need to be a little more abstract. I don't know. Why is this so confusing? All right, it's pouring outside, but I think I finally have some sort of layout that will work, that's not symmetrical. And the idea is like, this is a little more abrupt on this side, and then it'll kind of, I'm wondering, okay, all right, we're done talking about this. Next time you see it, it'll be done. You ready? it is. I'm happy with how it came out. It's abstract enough to where you don't worry about symmetry or anything like that. Yeah, super easy to do. I mean, it went out no problem. Plug it in, bada bing, bada boom, no complaints. I haven't actually hooked it up in the app yet. This is just like default what it scrolls through. So I honestly kind of just like leaving it like that. So yeah, very, very happy and grateful. Thank you, Nanoleaf, for the hookup. Here's a side view, if you were wondering. Very, very nice. And yeah, the matte black skin actually worked pretty well. So definitely happy with how that turned out. The only cable that's really exposed right now is the power cord, of course, which I'm gonna do nothing with. I like leaving it as is. And then for the MagSafe, that's just kind of hanging there right now because I don't know what I want to do with that, but I like having it on my desk. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comments things that you think I should do or change or whatever. Probably don't care what you say, but interested in what you have to say nonetheless. As promised, I put on the Woosier vest, and it doesn't really fit fat people, but man, right now I'm playing the Stranger Things Journey, remix they did. And my entire body is like, brrr. It's crazy. I actually really like it, minus the whole being fat part. But I gotta try it out on the computer, but I just want to share. I got it set up finally, it works. But, whew, feels good.